All right, so Workbench settings, open default key bindings. Controls whether opening key binding settings also opens an editor showing all the default key bindings. So let me show you what this looks like. This is set to false by default. So if you press Command K, Command S, or if you come to the menu and choose preferences and keyboard shortcuts, so this is what I did, Command S, Command K, Command S, you'll see the keyboard shortcuts. And you have this little button right here, which allows you to see the keyboard shortcuts as a JSON file. If you click this, by default, it just opens the JSON file, and that's that. Now, if you set this to true, however, and you open that again, you will actually see both the key bindings.json file and the default key bindings. Okay, so I don't find this to be very useful. I would rather just have the key bindings. So I'm going to set this one to false.